Okay, the skate park right here in Long Beach is open. So all of you wonderful skaters, come right here to Long Beach. You get to skate for free at a small outdoor skating rink, but it's sufficient for you to practice and do all your tricks. And yeah, you might see me here. I have roller skates. I love to skate. I didn't know they were open today. I've been waiting for them to open ever since October. So I was surprised to see today that it was actually up and running. So come on down and put your skates on and have a ball.